Welcome to the power transfer control test. In continuation to the last class, there is the class B fed motors or second coordinate type of the chopper drives. In that we discuss about this, what are the different modes of operation while the chopper is on condition, what is the diode is on condition. So during the chopper is on condition, that is called energy interval from 0 to T on period. From T on to T off, that is called as a duty interval. During this diode is on condition here, during the chopper is on condition. What are the things we have observed in the previous class? From this we get average output voltage VA is equal to 1 by T integration of from 0 to T on period. There is no voltage, therefore we consider only T on to T off only. T on to T off. So let us take the capital T on into capital T off into supply voltage how much? VDC into dt. So 1 by T into VDC take common, so VDC into I think not T off here, sorry. 0 to T on, chopper is on. From T on to capital T, this is the capital T. E period to T off, E duration T off. Man this course limit, lower limit, upper limit, lower limit T on అవుతుంది, upper limit capital T అవుతుంది. Sorry about that. So T on minus, therefore VDC into T minus T on. So this is the one. So integration of dt to T place to T minus T on subcheste T minus T on. So this is one. So now VDC take common T minus T on by capital T. So what is T by T? 1. So VDC into 1 minus. What is T on by T? Delta. So from this we can observe that in case a class B or second coordinate type of choppers or regenerative braking control, what is the VA average output voltage which is given to the motor? VDC into 1 minus delta. By changing the delta, we can adjust the voltage VA. So this is the VA available from this concept. So you will come to and also from the coordinate diagram, we can observe that voltage is always positive here, but the current may be negative. The current is negative because for regenerative braking action. Because of in this class B chopper, the motor acts as the generator, therefore the power which delivered from the motor to generator, motor to supply, therefore back EMF is more than that of the supply voltage, therefore armature current is changing direction. So from this we can conclude that you can derive the torque speed relation now. So what is the torque? For example, I am using some motor, T is proportional to K, but here the torque IA is not positive here, IA is negative here, therefore substitute IA in this value, therefore T is equal to K. So again, what is IA? On this T by minus T by K into 5. This is the armature current from this concept. So IA place to minus IA. ఎందుకు మోటార్ జనరేటర్ యాక్ట్ చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి రిజనరేటర్ బ్రేకింగ్ కాబట్టి IA పాజిటివ్ ఉండదు, IA నెగిటివ్ ఉంటుంది. ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చినప్పుడు అయితే IA ఎప్పుడు కూడా పాజిటివ్ తీసుకోకండి. రిజనరేటర్ బ్రేకింగ్ అన్నప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా IA వాల్యూ నెగిటివ్ వాల్యూ తీసుకోండి. ఓకేనా, ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లో కూడా. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద V terminal voltage? VT is equal to EB plus IA RA. What is VT? VA, output of V terminal voltage, that is input of the motor, that is the output of the converter, that is equal to EB plus IA RA. What is VT? VA, just now we derived VDC into 1 minus delta is equal to EB plus IA RA. VDC into 1 minus delta into is equal to EB plus IA. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న IA ఈక్వేషన్ ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకోండి. అగైన్ EB is equal to Km into omega. So again I will derive them. సో అగైన్ ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ తీసుకుంటాను. ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ నుంచి EB అంటే ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు? EB is equal to Km into omega m. సో EB ప్లేస్ లో Km into omega m సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. సో EB is equal to Km. మనకు ఆల్రెడీ ఎంత వచ్చింది? VDC into 1 minus delta is equal to EB. EB అంటే ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు? Km into omega m ప్లస్ IA RA. మనకి Km omega m ఏమవుతుంది? దీని నుంచి Km omega m is equal to VDC into 1 minus delta minus IA RA. So what is Km? We know that K into 5 into omega m, that is equal to VDC into 1 minus delta minus IA RA. Is it clear? VDC is equal to V ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఈబీ ప్లస్ ఐఆర్ఏ. ఈబీ అంటే కేఎం ఇంటూ ఒమేగా. ఇక్కడ బయటకు తీసుకొస్తే కేఎం ఇంటూ ఒమేగా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వీడీసీ ఇంటూ 1 మైనస్ డెల్టా మైనస్ ఐఆర్ఏ. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి కేఎం అంటే ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు, కేఏ5 ఇంటూ ఒమేగా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వీడీసీ ఇంటూ 1 minus delta minus IRA. What is IA from torque equation? Minus T by K5. So ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఈక్వేషన్ మనం రాసుకుంటే మనం again that is here. సో ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ నుంచి మనం రాసుకుంటే సో ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ ఒమేగా m ఈక్వల్ టు ఏం రాయొచ్చు, ఒమేగా m is equal to VDC into 1 minus delta by KA5. Okay, KA5 ఎందుకంటే VDC 1 minus delta KA5 డినామినేటర్ లో వస్తుంది కాబట్టి మైనస్ ఇక్కడ మైనస్ రాసుకోండి, మైనస్ IARA by KA5. So totally we got the equation. So IA place లో torque sub చేయండి. Therefore omega m is equal to VDC into 1 minus delta by KA5 minus IA place లో టార్క్ బై IA ఎంత ఉంది మనకు ఈక్వేషన్ తెలుసు, IA is equal to minus T by KA5. సో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ దిస్ ఈక్వల్, ఆల్రెడీ మైనస్ మైనస్ ఏమవుతుంది ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. therefore T by KA5 ఇక్కడ 5 ఆల్ ఉంది. సో KA5 whole square into RE. So this is the relation between the torque versus speed in case of regenerative braking control. Torque versus speed by distance to delta. So this is the relation between torque speed characteristics, the torque speed relation of a class B or second quadrant type or regenerative braking control technique. So this is the plus T ఉంటుంది చూసుకోండి, మిగతా కేసెస్ అన్ని మైనస్ వస్తాయి, ఇక్కడ మాత్రం ప్లస్ T వచ్చింది. So this is the final equation. From this expression we can conclude that so if the motor, it is an operating motor, these are the characteristics, speed versus torque. For example, we are assuming already shunt from self-excited motors or some like especially shunt motor. This is the characteristics of the motor, but for regenerative braking control, so these are the characteristics. Because of in the regenerative braking control, armature current reverse, because of reversal of armature current, torque also reverse. Therefore it is in the negative side, that is the second coordinate. Therefore this is there from delta decreasing, from delta is decreasing, this is motoring, this is regenerative braking. So because of the it is operating the second coordinate, ఇది coordinate operate అవుతుంది, second coordinate operate అవుతుంది కాబట్టి so it is in the regenerative braking control. So while adjusting the delta values, if delta is more and more, if delta is equal to 0, how much? VDC into 1. If delta is equal to 1, 1 minus 1, 0. This value becomes 0. Therefore, omega is equal to T into RA by KA5. It's still positive. If delta is equal to 0.5, 1 minus 0.5. How much? VD. So still positive. So always omega m is well positive, but torque will be negative depending upon the regenerative braking action. Thank you. From this we can conclude this class B fed separate class B or second coordinate type motors. That is a regenerative braking control అంటే ఎగ్జామ్ ఇదే ఇంతవరకు రాస్తే ఈ 3 వీడియోస్, ఈ 3 పార్ట్, సెకండ్ పార్ట్, ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ ఉంది, ఈ 3 పార్ట్లో రాస్తే సరిపోతుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.